Discovery drives progress, expanding the boundaries of human understanding. Science fuels this advancement, while innovation reshapes industries, enriches lives, and fosters a more inclusive society. In this transformative era, these forces unlock endless possibilities, propelling the nation toward global leadership. The Indian Institutes of Science, Education and Research, Berhampur, embodies this spirit. The institute exemplifies the spirit of intellectual curiosity and scientific exploration. Envisioned as a hub of innovation, it brings together the nation's brightest minds to unravel the mysteries of nature and pioneer solutions that shape the future. At IISER Berhampur, students don't just learn science, they are trained to push its boundaries, inventing and implementing sustainable solutions for societal progress. Established in 2016 by the Government of India, IISER Berhampur has grown to be an integral part of the network of 7 IISERs across the country, fostering interdisciplinary learning and innovation.
IISER Berhampur is the youngest among the 7 IISERs under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It was established in the year 2016 and it has now grown into the big vibrant campus on the coast of the Bay of Bengal, and it has nearly 1,300 students including BSMS, integrated PhD and PhD students. We have several disciplines from life sciences, physical sciences, mathematical sciences, earth sciences and computer sciences, and many new disciplines may come in the near future. IISER Berhampur has students coming from joint examination called the IAT, and also we take our PhD students through national exams like the CSIR, UGC, etc. We also have several Inspire students and we also take Inspire faculty at times. These people work at the cutting edge research involving chemical biology, photonics, nanomaterials, MRI, drug delivery and several such disciplines. We have unique laboratories, efficient classrooms and hostels, and including a very good guest house in the campus which is nearly 15 kilometers from the highway. It is very approachable from Bhubaneswar Airport through the National Highway 16, and the view is amazing with the Eastern Ghats on the right and the Chilika Lake on the left, and it is a very scenic campus. We have Keora plantations in this region which is also unique to any campus in India.
Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Berhampur was established in the year 2016. It is one of the youngest IISER out of 7 IISERs in the country. Government of India has sanctioned 1,582 crores for construction and operationalization of permanent campus. It is one of the important institute of national importance recognized by an Act of Parliament. It is an autonomous institution, very prestigious. The main objective of the institute is to impart high quality science education and research and development in new frontiers of science to make the nation Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Academic programs at IISER Berhampur, such as BSMS Dual Degree and Integrated PhD, seamlessly integrate science, education and research. PhD programs are designed to train the next generation scientists ready to take up new problems at the frontiers of science and technology. Students at IISER Berhampur regularly receive premier fellowships including the Prime Minister's Research Fellowship, DST Inspire, etc., providing financial support and research opportunities for pioneering work. With 6 science departments: biological science, chemical sciences, mathematical sciences, physical sciences, earth and environmental sciences and computer sciences, IISER Berhampur covers almost all branches of sciences. Biological science,
So in the Department of Biological Sciences at IISER Berhampur is a vibrant community, and our faculty members have a diverse expertise in biomedical area and biological sciences, and we do have developed an excellent state-of-the-art research facility. We do have NGS, FACS, MRI and the different microscopy, different state-of-the-art microscopy. So vision of the Department of Biological Sciences is to conduct the cutting-edge research and provide quality teaching and research training in basic biology, biomedical sciences and bioengineering field.
chemical sciences,
Currently, the Department of Chemical Sciences is having 15 faculty members from renowned places. They are working in diverse frontier areas ranging from advanced materials, photocatalysis, asymmetric catalysis, drug design and delivery, theranostic, to advanced computational simulations or methods. They are publishing top-ranked peer-reviewed journals, conducting cutting-edge research. They are also providing high-quality teaching. Currently, 4.5 crores externally funded projects are going on in the department. The MS students who have got their degree from the Department of Chemical Sciences, currently they are pursuing their doctorate degree in the top world-ranked institution abroad. The Department of Chemical Sciences is an ultimate destination for students enthusiastic for advanced learning and cutting-edge research. Students enthusiastic for advanced learning and research, the Department of Chemical Sciences is an ultimate destination for them to build up their career.
mathematical sciences,
I'm very happy to talk about mathematics. People may not know mathematics along with astronomy is one of the oldest academic discipline, having history of more than 2500 years. Mathematics has very distinct features that because of its applications to humankind, mathematics is taught as a science, and also mathematics has a lot of creative freedom, and because of which it actually is taught under arts departments as well. Here at IISER Berhampur, our department has 9 very versatile faculties with different research areas like number theory, analysis, geometry, differential equations, and we have very good environment at the department to do research and to excel in academics. Here at IISER Berhampur, we offer a very solid background for mathematics to our students. We try to prepare a very reasoning mind, and in the first year when students come from a very varied background, they don't know much about mathematics, we are being very gentle, and we have actually recently introduced a course called a potpourri of mathematics, just to give them some idea about what mathematics is and to keep them relaxed. We also have introduced courses like writing in mathematics, fun with mathematics. This will help students to acclimatize with the subject. And once we have that basic preparation, then we build on and do more advanced courses like group theory, rings, modules, analysis, measure theory, functional analysis, differential geometry, and so on. We also offer some applied mathematics courses with the hope that some of our students may go out for jobs, and we should prepare students for such a situation as well. So we try to balance a very good curriculum here at IISER Berhampur in mathematics department.
Physical sciences.
Our central mission is to achieve cutting-edge research. We are equally dedicated to provide high-quality undergraduate and postgraduate education. A key aspect of our department is rigorous research training to our students. We offer comprehensive integrated degree program including BSMS and integrated PhD program. In the department, faculty members are actively involved in diverse research areas like experimental condensed matter physics, high energy physics, optics and photonics, applied physics, theoretical condensed matter physics, nanoscience and nanotechnology. The department is equipped with modern laboratories and advanced research facilities such as powder and thin film, XRD, scanning electron microscopy, transmission electron microscopy, atomic force microscopy, scanning tunneling microscopy, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, and time resolved spectroscopy. We are also equipped with advanced thin film growth techniques like pulse laser deposition techniques, sputter deposition, and thermoevaporator techniques.
We work at the intersection of optics, physics, and engineering. Our main focus is to work on adaptive optics and wavefront sensing, technologies that help improve optical imaging systems, especially telescopes, microscopes, and ophthalmoscopy, and improves their optical imaging resolution. Our goal is to develop new optical devices and diagnostic devices that bridge the gap between state-of-the-art technology and unmet clinical challenges.
Earth and environmental sciences, and computer sciences. With exceptional faculty members on board, every department aspires to address scientific problems of fundamental importance, often with tangible application to regionally, nationally, and globally important problems.
Some of the key areas of advanced research which is being followed at IISER Berhampur are in the areas of structural biology, in bioimaging, in photonics, in quantum materials, cosmology, particle physics, in critical minerals, interaction of ocean with the coastal line. Many such areas are of great importance at IISER Berhampur, and we have sophisticated equipment to carry out these researches. We have a 3 Tesla magnet, MRI, which is unique in our country in the research institutes. Most places is either in the hospital where the researcher does not get time to do research on the MRI machine. We are going to have a UHV STM, which is where we can study surfaces and interfaces and look at quantum properties in materials going to be established at IISER Berhampur. We have genome sequencing facilities, we have imaging facilities to find out about live cells, dead cells in a organism, and we have many microscopes like the field emission scanning electron microscope, the transmission electron microscope. We are installing state-of-art cryo-electron microscope, and also we are going to have the X-ray fluorescence ICP mass. All these have been installed recently. We are also going to have very detailed magnetic measurement techniques using squid magnetometer, PPMS, etc.
Beyond classrooms and research labs, IISER graduates secure pathways to impactful careers. Alumni continue their scientific journeys at top global institutions like Harvard, Princeton, and Cambridge, contributing to breakthroughs in biotechnology, data science, sustainability, and deep tech industries.
In IISER Berhampur, we have 5 years of integrated BSMS program as well as PhD program. We take our BSMS students from a national level entrance examination, which is called IISER admission test. This will take place in another 2 months. From there, based on the merit list and the choice of the students, we take the best, the creamiest or the best minds of India as our students here. They learn all the courses, that is all the subjects, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology and earth and environmental science, along with some humanities courses in their first few semesters, and then they choose a major choice in their life. They choose which subject they will work, they will devote their life on, and they will make their career on. So they can choose physics, they can choose chemistry, they can choose biology, they can choose mathematics or earth and environmental science also. And we also have cutting edge research facility. This is very unique among all other educational institutes in India except IITs, IISCs.
So I have a group that I lead, which is basically the solid state quantum materials group. So in this group, we are trying to work on developing new quantum materials, and these quantum materials are based on the novel inorganic oxides having perovskite structure, so quadruple perovskite, triple perovskites, etc. And these perovskites are basically consisting of transition metals of 4D and 5D series, the second and third transition metal series. In those particularly, we utilize the platinum group metals like iridium, osmium, ruthenium, etc. To prepare this compound. So quantum materials are those materials basically whose properties can only be explained using or invoking quantum mechanics, and these have very exciting properties like high temperature superconductivity, frustrated magnetism, quantum spin liquid state, etc. So in the view of their interesting electrical and magnetic properties, we are trying to investigate novel materials in this field.
We are here to see ICP-MS and ICP-OES lab. So we have a very good ICP-MS already installed in IISER Berhampur. So this ICP-MS is Agilent 8900 triple quad mass spectrometer, which is equipped with 3 different quadruples. So we have this particular instrument is capable of measuring the trace elements at lowest detection limits up to say PPT, that is parts per trillion level, and with a very low background and with least amount of overlapping, we can measure a wide range of elements in wide range of samples, including geological samples such as minerals and rocks. Also we can measure samples like biology from chemistry also, including plant tissues, human tissues, blood cells, or any kind of samples that can be dissolved and put into this particular instrument.
The Alumni Affairs Office fosters lifelong connections, enabling graduates to mentor, collaborate, and engage in industry partnerships, ensuring IISER Berhampur's legacy thrives beyond academia.
We were the first batch at IISER Berhampur. We did not had a lot of things over there and still that survival instinct, or the thing that to make a lot of things even when you do not have a lot of things on your hand, is a very great thing. Because with the limited resources in the upcoming days, I think as an administrator it has actually taught me the very essential quality of adaptability and doing things sustainably.
When I recall my IISER days, it was just an incredible experience. We had to take courses from physics, chemistry, maths, biology and computer science at the same time in the first 2 years, which really helped us to understand the open questions, the state of the art and the topics we wanted to specialize in.
I was a part of a intellectually dense environment here, and I was fortunate to meet people who are interested in promoting science, their experiences and knowledge of science, and perhaps I also obtained a dose of motivation, and they helped me to reach or to aspire for high ambitious goals in my life.
Looking back, IISER BPR wasn't just a place where I studied physics. It was where I figured out how I wanted to learn, grow and think as a scientist. To me, IISER BPR was a space where I discovered who I am and what I care about.
Life at IISER Berhampur is vibrant and immersive and driven by a spirit of inquiry and innovation. Student clubs and initiatives including STREAM and Invenio encourage interdisciplinary collaboration to discuss and propagate science beyond the bounds of the institute and into the wider public. Platforms like the Innovation and Incubation Center is set up for nurturing entrepreneurship culture amongst the students. Inter-IISER Science Meets support aspiring researchers and entrepreneurs.
IISER Berhampur, we take students very seriously. Their welfare is of prime importance to us, and we have about more than 1,000 students living on campus. There are BSMS students, integrated PhD students, and a lot of students who are interns, JRFs. So the total student strength is more than 1,000. In the campus we have 2 hostels. Another hostel is going to be soon made available. And there is a large kitchen and dining complex, lots of sports facilities. Inside the hostel they have activity rooms and so on. What we emphasize on is students should be growing as an individual, as a citizen, more than their academic development. They should become a good citizen.
The Department of Outreach at IISER Berhampur has been reaching out to the community and in the process of community engagement by a 3-pronged mechanism, where we reach out to the students, where we reach out to the educators, and we are also reaching out to the overall surrounding community that we are part of. So during this process, what we've been doing is we have school students and college students visiting IISER Berhampur campus, and where they're taken through a tour of the advanced research facilities. They interact with the researchers, and we also have our annual outreach event where school students from nearby schools visit the institute, and our BSMS students and our PhD students together perform scientific experiments and thus inculcate an interest in science in the school students as well as the college students.
My research interest is to study human brain health and diseases, particularly glioblastomas, which is a brain tumor, and cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease and epilepsy. It is a 3 Tesla state-of-art MRI lab where we are developing advanced neuroimaging methods combined with artificial intelligence to develop quantitative platform that can be clinically translated for precise diagnostication and prognostication of brain disorders. We are understanding the geometry of the brain. We are trying to study the functional status of the brain combined with metabolic information, so that we can leverage these information to develop newer technologies to study brain health and diseases and disseminate it across the clinical sites in India and abroad.
Sports and cultural clubs are also integral parts of student life. Emphasis is given on these extracurricular activities to empower a holistic growth of the young minds. Celebration of a variety of cultural events is a testimony to the talents that brew in the campus, as well as the rich cultural diversity of the IISER Berhampur community, which is a microcosm representing the whole of India. IISER Berhampur fosters an inclusive academic environment, promoting gender equality and celebrating social diversity. With a commitment to equal opportunities, the institute ensures a balanced and supportive ecosystem for innovation and learning. With almost 50% female students and several academic and extracurricular accolades received by girl students, IISER Berhampur adequately lives up to its commitment to gender equality. Recognizing the pressures of academic excellence, IISERs prioritize students' well-being through the campus health center services, providing professional counseling and wellness programs.
Vision of our IISER Berhampur Health Center is to provide quality healthcare to all our beneficiaries, integrating, promoting curative as well as preventive healthcare services. We serve our students, staff, faculty and family members, and we have a 8-bedded primary health center facility here where we provide OPD services, IPD services, counseling services for students and staff, as well as we do have various outreach activities to contribute back to our society.
A strong commitment to inclusivity ensures a respectful and safe campus, with anti-ragging, anti-drug awareness and disability-friendly policies fostering an environment where every student feels valued. At the heart of IISER Berhampur lies a commitment to advancing scientific knowledge through fundamental and applied research, fostering innovation and driving global collaborations. Their contributions span diverse fields, from quantum mechanics to environmental sustainability, supported by cutting-edge infrastructure, including high-performance computing facility, experimental research labs, and advanced imaging centers.
Our CIF facility is equipped with extremely high-end instruments, for example, high-resolution transmission electron microscopy, confocal microscopy, field emission scanning electron microscopy, ultrafast spectroscopy, X-ray diffractions and so on. So we are basically very vibrant and we are gradually growing. Few of the instruments which are in a stage of installation, few are already installed, and also in addition to that, our institute is a part of ISTEM portal, which is actually the government portal for the use of other user, that means external user. So any person from this country can use our facility as well.
For investors, IISER Berhampur offers a compelling opportunity where research, industry collaboration and entrepreneurship converge. With a strong focus on biotechnology, drug discovery, AI and sustainability, IISER Berhampur is open to corporate partnerships, contributing to advancements in pharmaceuticals, materials science, and other relevant field of industrial applications. In spite of being the youngest of all IISERs, IISER Berhampur stands out with its blend of academic excellence, research opportunities, and dynamic student engagement. For aspiring scientists and innovators, IISER Berhampur isn't just an institution, it is an idea where vision meets reality, curiosity transforms into achievement, and knowledge shapes the future.